I seem to be the only nature guy here around, because I'm talking about Life Nature Project, which is dealing with various kinds of mires in Finland. The main aim of our project is actually restoration of mires and the hydrology of mires in 54 Natura 2000 sites around Finland. The main aim is to return the mire values there, because these dark mires are mostly, they've been afforested for forest economy purposes previously. We are dealing with various kinds of mires ranging from bog woodlands into several kinds of open mire types, arbor mires, and whatever you come up with in your minds. Our total restoration area we are working upon is over 4,000 hectares. And some key figures, as I mentioned, we are Life Nature Project, and the beneficiaries is Metsähallitus, which is administrating all state-owned nature conservation areas in Finland. And we have two partners, and we run for 5 years, and we have a decent budget. The key actions that we are dealing with is we are preparing nearly 30 restoration plans, detailed plans for the restoring of these target mires, and a couple of management plans that will tackle the overall land use of 3 of our project sites. One of the key actions is also to educate our restoration workers. Metsähallitus has several forest workers working for the company, and it's important that they have the best knowledge of how to deal with the restoration measures. And the key actions in the field, what we'll do, we fill in a bit more than 1 million meters of ditches from these formerly drained mires in 54 sites, and it also needs some clearing of trees from over 3,000 hectares. In these 2 pictures you will see the two key measures. So we use excavators to fill in the ditches. We've decided not to use too much dams anymore, as you see in the second picture. There are some poles, wooden poles, that were formerly used as blocking of the ditches in mires, but we have discovered that there's too much leaks from these dams if we use wooden poles there. So the best practice currently in restoring mires is fill in the ditches completely. And then we'll wait. We'll wait what happens with the mires. How long does it take to restore the natural values? And meanwhile, we have some things to do. We will disseminate, we will have several press releases, we will develop website brochures on best practice for mire restoration, a couple of DVDs, mire exhibition. We will make a nature trail targeting on mire restoration, and we make several kinds of mire trails for various target groups, children and handicapped people. And we'll monitor. We have reserved around €1 million for quite extensive monitoring of the actions and the impacts, and we will monitor the hydrological effects of our restoration measures and the measures on the biodiversity values. Our target groups are butterflies, plants, dragonflies and birds. But we all know that mires are significant stock for carbon dioxide. So what we'll do, we'll restore them. So we'll have a imminent negative impact for a while. With the increasing of the water level, we will enhance the release of methane. But in the long run, we don't simply know yet what happens with the restored mires and its effects to the climate change. There's a lot of room for studying what happens, because it's highly dependent on what kinds of mires we are dealing with. So the overall balance is not known. So please study more. We will concentrate mostly on biodiversity effects. Thank you for your attention.